this coffee machine is definitely a fix to like half of my first world problems, including needing a cup of coffee in the middle of the night for no particular reason, just craving coffee like I do. So this is the current coffee maker right here, and what you do is you open this and you have one of these things. We have them in this very convenient little container. But anyway, you somehow open this. It pokes a little hole in the top. And it pokes a hole in the bottom too. Interesting. Press the middle button. It just automatically starts heating up. And it heats, and it heats, and it heats, and it heats, and make sure it has water. I'm not lazy whenever I put this lid back on. It's just actually really hard to put on. So it just kind of sits there like that. This thing is amazing, and you should totally go out and buy one of these if you love coffee. And if you don't love coffee, you should go and buy these just because I told you to. There's really nothing left. Oh well. I guess I don't have to put that back, huh? This is like the Spock's Brain episode of my YouTube videos, so don't judge me by this video, please. In case you haven't noticed, I haven't actually taken a drink out of this the entire time because it's too hot. So I'm just gonna awkwardly stand here and stare at how delicious this black ominous liquid looks. And I will end the video here because I am done. Bye-bye. Folks, it's still recording? Oh man.